Hey friends, Larry here and welcome to Mail Call Day today. Let's get it open. And Mr. Announcer got a Christmas present from Santa Claus. Here we go. And it's a pen. It's a purple pen. Oh, okay. Let's see what he's getting himself into. Not my fault. Here we go. As I cut open the pen. Here we go. We're almost there. Ah!
Oh, it's that one, okay.
Yeah, would you like to say what it is? It is the, if I'm blind here, 2806.
We previously did a review on a silver one, and I liked the silver one so much that I wanted the purple one as well.
Isn't this a Wing Song it looks like?
I believe so, yes.
Yeah, it looks like the Wing Song logo on here. That purple is really pretty, really pretty. Pull up cap.
Okay, it's going to be the Wing Sung 9120.
This here says 2806.
Okay. Maybe it has a different number then.
Okay, so that's the number on the band. So, somebody's got their numbers wrong. Anyway, there it is. Bam. All right, folks. Hey, thank you for joining me today on Mail Call. I'll see you later. Be cool like it's cool. Don't be rude to people. Be nice, respectful. Love one another. Hey, love and peace and all that good jazz. And don't text and don't drive. Bye-bye. Peace and out, baby. Let's roll.